This Tesla Model Y is getting one hell of a transformation. Sam's got the Tesla all prepped. Now it's ready for that first stealth panel. Let's check it out.
We always love to see how that first stealth panel is going to look. And applying it onto this ultra red Tesla Model Y does not disappoint. What Sam's doing here is just making sure that everything is aligned and perfect, ready to go. Squeezing out all of that excess solution, and we're ready to squeegee out.
Right, here we go. The reveal.
And it's fair to say we're loving the results. Once the panel's done, we give it a wipe down and check over, and it's heat sealing and ready to go onto the bonnet, or hood if you're American. We then work our way around a few other panels around the vehicle and look at the comparison between that stealth and that gloss paintwork.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Time for the boys to get on this front bumper. We're now going to apply the mirrors with two pieces, making sure that there are no seams visible. Now the customer requested headlight tinting, so we've gone ahead and applied it, and now that contrast on the front end is looking great. And now it's time to look at that finished product. Look at that. We made sure that all trims were removed so that all of the edges are completely seamless. And we are over the moon with the final result of this Tesla Model Y Ultra Red. If you like this video, make sure to check out the rest of our channel, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.